Make sure the netting is tight on the back.
We're all set, boss!
Okay, driver, head out slowly.
Ready to pull the sample at 3 minutes.
Confirmed. 3 minutes.
Levels are still high on sensor 4.
Adjusting the flow now. It's stabilizing.
The high-speed centrifuges efficiently separate the concentrated wet starch from the purified slurry, discharging excess water.
The temperature on the lower cyclone is fluctuating again.
I see that. Adjust the flow rate slightly.
The flow rate on Tower 3 looks stable now.
Yes, the mesh is performing optimally. We can increase the input slightly. Checkpoint 5 is holding steady at 1,000 grams. Confirmed. The variance is negligible. The alignment on layer 4 is slightly off. It's within tolerance, but I'll keep an eye on it.
Dispatch, this is dockside. We are clear on Bay 4, moving to Bay 5.
Copy that, dockside.
Easy now, you're clear on the stack. Setting her down. Locked in.
The cassava flour arrives daily, scanned and sorted for rapid distribution across the region.
Your total is 450.
Thank you.